Mehariria makwa mutigaire Kennedy Jindo gitio giake kia muthia no marathie na mbere na kurikirira guku kamiti irehetwo wira wa mehariria macio kiuga mitha igiri cia kiririkano no igathie na mbere tariki 25 na 26 guku Nairobi kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral na kiharo-ini kia Ihura county-ini ya Murang'a.
We shall be having a service at All Saints Cathedral on Wednesday morning at 10:30. And then the following day on Thursday, we have a funeral service in Murang'a at Ihura Stadium.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro minister wa Ukui James Macharia ni ugiri ati a Kenya aria makenda gwikinya igongona-ini ria All Saints magakorwo maikarite thi gwikinyiria thaa 4:30. Macharia ni ogereire kuga ati gatatu ga kiumia giki mwiri wa mutigairi ukarutwo funeral ugereirio barabara-ini ya Haile Selassie hitukiire Uhuru Park nginyagia kanitha-ini wa All Saints. Naguo kana ga kiumia giki mwiri wa mutigairi ukarutwo funeral home ugereirio Forest Road, Thika Road nginyagia Ihura Stadium.
We have Wednesday from funeral we shall be turning right going towards Haile Selassie Avenue, and then from Haile Selassie Avenue we shall go through Uhuru Park and then go to All Saints Cathedral. And then on Thursday from Lee Funeral towards Thika Road alongside Pagani, Forest Road, all the way to Thika Super Highway and then to Ihura Stadium.
Kamiti ino ni yugite mifango yo igi ya mathiko ni ikandirirwo ona gutuika gutire kuramenyekana kana hihi mwiri wa Matiba ni gucinwo ugacinwo.
I'm urging the residents of Murang'a County and also the people of Kiharu constituency to come in their large numbers on Thursday. We give our former member of parliament who served us from 1979 to 1988, and thereafter once after the repeal of Section 2A, he became again a member of parliament from 1992-97. He done a lot of things to our people.
O mifango ino githiaga na mbere ndumiriri cia macakayano irathie na mbere na gutumwo. Muthinyi wa umuthi Senator wa Baringo Gideon Moi uria ni muri wa President wa tene Daniel Moi ni anyitanire na nyumba ya Matiba gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Limuru kuria acakaire na nyumba ya Matiba. Mutigaire akuire ari na ukuru wa miaka 85. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.